Welcome to this channel. Without wasting your time, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to use Binance Convert on Binance mobile apps. Getting to know how to convert one cryptocurrency to another will save you time and help you take informed decision on which cryptocurrency investment to follow. Please, if at the end of this video you find it helpful or useful to you, subscribe to the channel to help me grow the channel first. Hit the notification bell so that you can be receiving my new video. The topic is how to use Binance Convert on Binance mobile app to save money. So we're on the mobile app now. Tap on the mobile app on your phone, log into your account, and you get to this page. The first thing we have to do is we tap on more, then come to trade. Come to trade. This is a Binance Pro, Binance App Pro, not Lite. So you click on convert, click on convert, then you see the page exactly the way it appears on Binance web. So you put in your, I want to convert burger, 1.2 burger, 1.2 burger to BUSD, that is Binance equivalent of USD, Binance version of the American dollar. BUSD is a stable coin. So to get my conversion now, I'll click on preview conversion. So you can see this is the code that is generated for me. 1.2 burger will give me 1.01581,935 BUSD. There's no transaction fee. If I proceed on this convert, the equivalent and converted BUSD will go to my spot wallet. The type is market. So this is the rate. 1 BUSD, 1 burger is 0.846516 BUSD. So assuming I have enough enough balance in my account, so I'll be able to confirm this, or I'll be able to confirm this order, and I'll be able to convert from burger to BUSD. So let's go through it again. You can choose another currency. You can choose let's choose BNB. Want to convert from BNB, which is Binance token. So I want to convert to USDT, Theta USDT. It's another stable coin. So you can see, so let me see the lowest here. The lowest here is 0.0031 that I can convert. So if you preview now, you see the equivalent, the converted USDT. You can see 0.0031 BNB is 1.00970498 USDT. No transaction fee, as you have seen before. Pay directly to your spot wallet in credit your USDT wallet. You type and the rate at which that is 1 BNB is equivalent to 325.771 USDT. So that is it. So you have money, you go ahead to confirm the order, to convert, and you get your money. So that is all about using Binance mobile app to convert from one cryptocurrency to another cryptocurrency. If you are still with me and you are still watching this video, thank you very much. If you like the video, share the video with your friends and family, comment on the comment section of the video. If you have any question, put it on the comment, I will answer you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I release new video. Thank you. There's a direct link to this Binance Convert in the description of the video. Thank you and God bless you.